Alright, so this is the Oppo Find X8 vanilla version. So if you compare with the Pro version, obviously don't have that key, the one key, you know, for AI, for photo, the things. And then we have the pink, or a pink color. It looks a little bit weird under this light condition, but it's pink, okay? Light pink, not that kind of strong, you know. And then we have this gray finish. Gives me this kind of feeling like high-tech finish. My first impression is really lightweight, and definitely this color is my favorite. And finally, the Pro version. Oh, come on, this looks like so lightweight, so thin if you compare to the last generation or the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I have. Wow, much thinner, right? Whoa! Even the camera module. Yeah, and let's check out the bezels. The bezels, which one is thinner? I haven't tested the camera performance yet because, you know, it's a launch event and Oppo hasn't sent me the one yet. But please subscribe. I will ask them to send me one. By the way, this is one of the colors, the blue color. All right, here's another color for the Find X8 Pro. Also some more accessories like this magnetic case, the power bank, and this wireless charger. I have one now. So the Oppo Pad 3. To check out the design, speakers, Type-C. Alright. Contacts, super lightweight. Also magnetic. Okay, this is another color, like pink color. You can see this brush text to the earphone, the Oppo Anchor X3 Pro. Woohoo! It's like the first time I've seen an earbuds case with this leather finish. Ooh, looks good. When the turn to back, you can see co-created with Dan Audio. Wow! And let me just wear a little bit. And this is how it looks. I have to say this thing has the craziest active noise cancellation. It's like when I wear this, I basically hear nothing. And this is the Watch X. Seems very smooth. Yeah.
It's strong.